We are so excited that GPS got to partner up with Mr. Peter Lamas and his brand because bringing the hair treatment, hair care product line, as well as his skincare product portfolio through GPS Commerce Channel, it is absolutely life-changing. You know, I'm in my late 30s, about to be 40 real soon, but I got to tell you, when I was growing up, I thought that hair loss or, concerns or worries from that is something that you worry about when you get to maybe older age, right? Like 60s and 70s and on. But I realized the stress and the concern actually begins many people in 20s and 30s and 40s. Even for me, my immediate family members, I realized last few years that so many of them have been battling with hair loss, and it's one of those things that they don't talk about. Right? They just worry about it, and they're cleaning just chunks of hair after shower, and it becomes a silent stress and silent anxiety for so many people. And when I got to learn about Mr. Peter Lamas's brand and his product, especially him having the background that he has, being one of the first stylists in New York to be personally mentored by Paul Mitchell and Vital Sassoon himself, and also to be able to do a service and do a hairstyling and makeup artist as a stylist for so many celebrities for many decades. I mean, including the First Lady. Some of you probably know the story of JFK, the President JFK, how literally Mr. Peter Lamas did all the styling for them. But after being in the industry for many decades, he realized how harmful those products were that were available in the market. It had so much chemical in it. It was actually causing hair loss. It was causing skin irritation and problems. And he literally became someone, he made it a life's mission to bring a healthier delivery, healthier solution to really go out there and do something that only brings something to the market that he would only put on himself. And he found the organic way, he found a vegan way to do it. And because of his experience, because he has so much knowledge and experience in the field, I truly believe that this is the best product that you could absolutely put on your body to go out there and make your life better. And I think it's getting rid of a huge stress for so many people, just by trying and actually using Peter Lamas brand of products. And I got to tell you, especially with, during the quarantine and the pandemic, I haven't been getting haircut as often, but, even for me, I had a couple spots. I always had to make sure that I do my hair a certain way to cover it, make sure that I have a fuller looking hair. But, with using Peter Lamas product, I actually don't have the concern of that anymore. And yesterday, I actually had someone tell me that, hey, your hair reminds me of Peter Lamas' hair. So I think that was the biggest compliment I've ever got about my hair. So if you haven't tried it yet, you gotta try it. I absolutely love it. I don't think there's a better product out there in the market. And special partnership with GPS. We have a compensation plan attached to it. We have a special pricing, and it literally is guaranteed to ship in 2 to 3 business days. So we're so pumped up. And I cannot wait for every single one of our customers to be feeling better and looking better soon.